What if we, for one day only, convert Bombay Canteen into a langar? In 2015, when we just opened Bombay Canteen, we were coming up against Independence Day.
In school, this day meant so much to us. As we grew up, it was important to bring back some amount of meaning for that day.
That's when we went to our friends at Please See. Their founder, Avinash, came back really excitedly. He's like, what if we, for one day only, convert Bombay Canteen into a langar? Join all the tables, get everyone together, serve a banana leaf thali, and anyone and everyone can pay whatever they feel like.
But we never realized how big this would become over time. We started this initiative in 2015 where we served 150 people, raised 1.8 lakh rupees. Within the 9 years, we've served more than 5,000 people and we've been able to generate about 1.2 crores which have been donated to the various causes.
The crux of how we've chosen the causes that we support has been what the team has passionately felt something about. From education to orphanages to farmer livelihood to last year helping distribute ration kits across rural Maharashtra. Guests who've eaten over the years always come back and volunteer. Last year we had almost 60 guests volunteer and it was so amazing to see all these people who had come and seen the energy and the love of that day wanted to come back and be part of creating it. It's our 10th year of celebrating this beautiful day and we can't wait to celebrate with all of you.
See you at the Daawat.